In front of me is Xiaomi Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services, scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Then choose Google Password Manager, select one of your passwords, enter your screen lock and tap on Edit button. Now make your changes and then to save them, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!